Alright everybody, we're going to tear down this Pixley Selfie drone from Keyshare. I did the one flight and you're out the door with it already. Here's some close-ups of it. I already started to loosen some of the screws right here. They are right here, here, and they're extremely tiny, so it took me a little bit to get these things going. There's the power button on it. The optical flow sensor is right here. Then that's the little positioning sonar. So let's crack it a little bit here to see what we got. Didn't even notice that, and I bet you there's a screw hole under there. Sure enough. Well, gee willikers. There it goes. Okay, so it was that last screw that I didn't get. There's the shell. It's like aluminum, I believe. Cast. Little pad there. Okay, right inside here, here's the camera module. Here's the batteries. And it looks like they are... everything's glued on these glue pads. You will have to peel off the glue pad to see what size the batteries are, but I think Dan said they were, I think he said they were 800s. I don't know, maybe not. Then the whole thing will come out. Then there's the motors. There's where the motors are soldered onto the board right there. All four of them, you can see they're the real thin wiring right here. They're blue and red. Let's see though, so if you took one of the motors, if you loosened one of the motors out here, let me try a different screwdriver here. Okay, so if you loosen the 3 screws right there for the motor will just drop out. Now that's how you would separate the whole board. So let me do that real quick. And we can see what the other side of the board looks like, because maybe it'll say something on the other side of the board. Okay, I got it separated. We can take a look at the other side of the board. And the camera module is going to be over here. Now that's still attached, but there's all the motors dangling. Now there's the back side of the board. There's the little optical flow sensor, and it has like a little ribbon cable attaching it. So you press down on that right there, and that will pop up that ribbon cable right there. See that? Then they have this little arrow there pointing to that. So that's how that ribbon cable clips on there. It just snaps on. I've actually never seen one like that before. Usually they have it where they have that, like that little door where you slide the cable in and then close the door. But that one, it actually just pops on there. It just snaps on. So I've never actually seen one like that. And then here's some chips. Here's a little serial number right there. You know, Dan was right. There's a lot of technology in this thing. Wow. I mean, look at that. It's like a motherboard, okay? Well, it is the motherboard for this thing. These are going to probably be the ESCs right here. My guess would be those. Oh, here, missed the camera there. Those right there. Those four. One here, one here, one here, one here. And let's see, this here, unless this is a chip here, I don't know if that's like a little heat sink right here, or this chip right here would probably be your flight control. Now I don't know what these there's 3, 6, 9, 12 here. Now, knowing what I know about computers, 3, 6, 9, okay, I would guess that these banks here are the memory. Those I think are probably the memory banks. So the memory banks would be right here, the ESCs would be right here, and the flight control would be here or here. And then these other ones, I don't know, you know, one's for the sonar, one's for the optical flow. Here's the power button right there. See if you can hear it click. I put it up to the microphone. Yeah, so that's about it. All that good stuff in there. All that good tech to make something that had like 2.5 minutes of flight time. I don't even understand why a company would waste the kind of technology and the effort into even making a product like this. I'll be honest with you, I don't get it. I don't get it one bit. Alright guys, so there you go. There's your teardown of the Pixley Keyshare Pixley Selfie drone. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.